I get this question. Actually, I didn't even know it was real. I did not know there was a limitation regarding contributing to collaborative articles until I found this question. And mostly because I get invited pretty frequently to contribute to collaborative articles, and I really have not spent a lot of time looking, my bad, not a lot of time looking for articles to contribute to be a part of the conversation, which is probably something I should be doing. I'll show you how to do that in a moment as well. But how come this person's asking, how can I overcome this limitation that I can't collaborate? And let me show you what that looks like. I think that I have a screenshot on my partner's computer. Let me go get that screenshot. Give me a second. Yeah, here it is right here. She is looking at, this is Reva, and she's looking at supply chain risk management. And you can see that, under risk management, all she has the ability to do is acknowledge. She does not have the ability to contribute. Now, let me go show you what it looks like so you're able to contribute. Let me go back to my computer and give her computer back. On my computer, actually, let me do it this way. If I go to linkedin.com/Pulse Topics Home, linkedin.com/Pulse Topics Home. Let me go there. So I'm on, by the way, this is a great way to find conversations that are going on in collaborative articles. But what I want to show you is, because I'm a contributor, I've been flagged as a contributor, I don't really have any limitations to what I could contribute to, but I better be very careful, and I'll show you what I mean by that. But anyway, it's linkedin.com/Pulse/Topics/Home. I can go find a conversation about healthcare, and under healthcare, I can then go find a conversation about patient advocacy. And now when I click on this first article, what does a diabetes therapy associate do? I don't know why. I don't think it should, but the system is allowing me to become a contributor to this article that I don't know a daggone thing about. Go back to healthcare, show you something else. This is really quite bizarre to me. Under healthcare, you're managing patient communications. If I look at that post, look at this, Vanessa, Arlen, Avza. These are considered top experts in this article, top experts. And, I'm not. I don't think I deserve the right to be considered an expert in this conversation. However, what I know that has happened, I did some research on this. I found the help document. How do you become a contributor? You become a contributor when LinkedIn identifies you as an expert in certain topic areas based on your work experience, based on your skills, proficiency, and prior engagement. Then they refer to you as a contributor. Then they open you up to participate in the conversations that are going on in these collaborative articles. And again, the system is not vetting me on all of these topics, but the system is determined that because I contribute honestly and transparently, I believe they're allowing me to make a decision of what kind of content I can engage on or not. And then we were relying on the system at the next vetting process is the system will allow me to either like this content or to report the contribution as inappropriate or someone who shouldn't be engaging on it. So, bottom line, how do you become a contributor? You start contributing other content, engaging on other content. That's the engagement stuff. You make sure your skills, proficiency, and your work history showcase the kinds of areas that you could be a contributor on. And furthermore, there's one more thing that the system that I read somewhere else, the system recommends, is that you participate when you find this content in your newsfeed. You participate in those conversations through like and comment, even though you can't contribute. The sum of this is this. The more the system determines that you are a trusted participant and you engage in other content, you share other content, your LinkedIn profile shows that the area that that you want to be perceived as an expert or authority in, and your skills align with that. The more you engage, the more likely the system may flag you as a contributor and allow you to participate in those conversations. Until then, the best you're going to be able to do is like or comment, or for you to mark content as you enjoyed that content or you didn't enjoy that content. The only place I see a thumbs down is on collaborative articles. Start participating. Make sure your profile is focused. And eventually the system may, it takes time, may allow you to become a contributor to collaborative articles. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.